I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and immediate readiness. Once done, charge or insert the pen battery and switch it on. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your laptop. Next, open Settings and go to Devices, then Pen or Bluetooth to add the device. Pair the pen by selecting its name and following on-screen prompts. You'll see confirmation when pairing completes. This gets you from 0 to a connected input device, so you can proceed to calibration and mapping. Once paired, calibrate immediately to align cursor and pressure sensitivity. You should open the pen or tablet app, run the calibration wizard, and draw test strokes across corners to fix mapping. Then, map buttons. Assign the top button to right-click or eraser, and the side to middle-click or shortcut. This saves time. Make sure drivers and the tablet utility are installed or updated, because these provide pressure curves and tilt control. If using creative software, you finish by practicing real tasks. Sketch lines, annotate documents, and test pressure and tilt to refine sensitivity. Make maintenance routine, replace worn nibs, keep the screen clean, and recharge or swap batteries. Update firmware when available. If the pen becomes unresponsive, first repair and reboot the laptop, then test the pen on another device to isolate the issue. Finally, reinstall or roll back drivers if needed. One key tip: always check Bluetooth interference and battery level first when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.